So most people solve this question like 21 minus 1. So 21 minus 1 is equal to 20, right? Now 5 times 20 is equal to 100. So now 100 divided by 100, right? So 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 100 divided by 5. Now solve this parenthesis first. 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. So times 20, right? Now here we have division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20 times 20. So now 20 times 20 is equal to 400, right? So the correct answer is 400. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.